Big up to everyone out there, my lovely family and my lovely friends out there. Big up to you guys, man. You guys are so amazing. So big up to you guys one more time. I'm on top of Ghana referees today, and some few other things I'm gonna discuss with you guys here today. But before then, let me say a big congratulations to our Rwanda female referee that appointed to the World Cup 2022 that coming up in Qatar. Not to disrespect Rwanda football, but if today Rwanda female referee appointed for the World Cup that is coming up, meaning they are doing something right, which we are not. And what of some of things that I feel that we are not doing it right? That is why if we talk about referees today, not even about the World Cup, if we African Cup of Nations, it is very difficult for us to get our Ghanaian referees, and why all this, and some few things that I'm going to discuss with you, like I said earlier on. Um, you know, the main problem that I notice, the reason why, sorry guys, the main reason why we are finding difficult to get a good referees, um, Ghana, when come to African Cup of Nations or World Cup, you see, the problem is that everyone back in Ghana want to make it overnight. Not just about only the referees. So if you notice the system now, whether the person is a filmmaker and musician and a YouTuber, whatever everybody is doing now, they are just finding ways on me to make it overnight. And all making it, I want to make it overnight, I want to make it overnight, there is no time to wait. This is some of the things that are causing a lot of problem for so many people future, and we are not paying attention to all those kind of things. If you remember clearly, I do not really remember the exactly year, but a lot of football fans out there will know what I'm talking about here. If you remember, I think back in 2017 or 2018, that way, that is one of Ghanaian referee was appointed to um, some match, I think Senegal with South Africa. And the end of the day, we all saw what happened. You see, that referee involved with the money, and the end of the day, he was thinking that maybe getting that money is gonna make him succeed overnight. The end of the day, what happened to him? They banned him from football. So you see, this is some of the things that I think if our referees want to and get more chances, do your job. Do your job and how you have to do it. You see, everything you are doing it in this world, do not think that people are not watching you. Do not think that people are not seeing you. If it is not your time yet, it's not your time. Have patience and keep doing what you are doing. You see, the only way you will get a chance for something, if you are doing something, personally, when you are certain for something, this is the main problem of some of the referees. You are certain for something, don't put so much into money, that money is going to cause you a lot of problem, because if money involved, the end of the day, you won't do what you're supposed to do. Sometimes you will balance it some way to favor different teams simply because of money involved. And the end of the day, you may get that money, but you won't relax on the system. That is the main problem when it comes to the reason why we are not getting our Ghanaian referees are not too much out there, because Ghana, we say to ourselves always that we are football nation. So when we talk about football nation, it is not just about only Black Stars, Black Stars, Black Stars. So if you notice, anytime Black Stars is down, we are not hearing Ghana name. That is, a referee can able to give Ghana name. Boxers, those days like Azuma Nelson, Ikote, and um, name them, a lot of them. When they are out there, the Ghana flag are always flying here and there. So it is not just about only Black Stars have to give the name, but simply we always say, well, we are football nation, we are football nation. So the moment Black Stars is down, nothing else. There is nothing out there. And why all those things? We see a young people certain for something, they want to make it overnight. That is the main problem. So guys, you guys are asking that what is the main problem for um, our Ghanaian referees now? This is very difficult for us to see them on African Cup of Nations qualifiers, or maybe African Cup of Nations tournament, or even World Cup. When was the last time you see Ghanaian referee associating for the World Cup tournament? When was the last time? Even African Cup of Nations. I don't remember. Cameroon, I think we was having 2 or 1. So this is the main problem, because some of the referees, not all, but there is a good referees out there, but many of them involved with money, involved with so many things, and not me that we sit down to say, involved with bribing and all that, and so many things. It is not me have to say. When Anas Eposik came out 2012, we also what happened from some of the referees. Someone get a chance today, instead to do your job, they involved with so many things and thinking that maybe I'm getting this money today going to make them succeed in life. That is not how it works. So guys, that is my thought about some of our referees. And it's not just about only the referees. If you're a young guy out there doing something, can't you notice, guys? Can't you notice our system in Ghana now? Can't you notice the system in Ghana? You see some youngster training in the system, within 1 week, 2 weeks, you don't see them again. You see some movie actors training, I'm doing well, within 1 month, 2 months, you don't see them again. You see some people as a blogger, YouTuber, you see them training here and there, within 1 week, you don't see them again. Why? Because people are now do not really have patience to wait on their own time. Everybody are in hurry to make it, and sometimes if you didn't even learn so many things to understand about the money that you are busy to get it, even if you get the money today, you may not know what you are going to use the money for, because you have no idea about the money. So that is the main problem, that when you see our system now, it is somehow people try to just make it overnight, and when they make it, can they able to keep it? No, simply because they have no idea. They do not really know what they want and where they are going. So that is all those kind of things is something that really involve our referees and all that. So some of us, when we are here talking about all those things, come on, we are so passionate about our country, man. So we want to see a lot of things go well. We want to see a lot of things go well. So I'm here to encourage some of my brothers and my sisters as well. If you are doing something, do not be in a hurry. Just do it what you know to do. Do it. I'm telling you, a lot of people always like, saying last time, well, sometime my English and all that, what I can do, that is what I'm doing here. What I can do, that is what I'm doing here. You're always sitting down here, there, saying that you want God to bless you, but you're afraid to come bold with what God have given you to give to people. What God give to you, He does not give you to keep it on yourself. Come out and share it with people. That is the end of the day. That is where the blessing will come from. So as I said, I'm going to talk about so many things that are killing Ghana, our system, and everything. And a lot of people do not know why. This is the main thing. Everybody are just eager to survive overnight, and it's not work. The universe doesn't work like that. Whatever you are doing, my brother, my sister, have patience. Do it with passion, do it with love, and do not forget that whatever you are doing, people are seeing you day and night. Despite that, negative things are so powerful that can raise you today to make you trend here and there, whether you are referee or whatever you are doing, to trend here and there today, but it's not taking you anywhere. So that is the main biggest problem. If you don't know why our referees, some of them good referee out there, but when some small money involved, they think about the money more than the job that they are doing. So if you are doing so, how do you expect to get a chance out there? So this message to our Ghanaian referees: whatever game you are called for in, do your work. The little one you have, appreciate it and do it. A lot of eyes are watching you around the world, and one day you may not believe where you will see yourself. Why? Simply because of your good job. But if you are thinking that maybe you just want to do here and do here, you are not disgracing yourself as a referee, you are disgracing the country and your community as well. So guys, that is the main problem. So young YouTubers as well, if you are a YouTuber out there, if you are certain, sometimes go other people YouTube and check. You see some people create YouTube channel like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, but yet they have only 10 subscribers. Some have 500 subscribers, but you start your own maybe 2 years, you have almost about 100 and something thousand subscribers, and you are not appreciated. You want some fake news, you want some kind of way to blow overnight. You will blow overnight, but ask yourself, that blowing overnight will take you where you want to be. So just have patience and do whatever you are doing, because it is something that killing everything in Ghana, not just about only the referees. I was saying that I'm going to talk about the referees and some other things. Some of those things are killing so many things back in Ghana. Music, movies, everything, because everybody are hot, gets to succeed. That is the biggest problem we have.